Today I'm going to be discussing the fieldwork collaboration. So who did I collaborate with? I collaborated with the special education counselor. He and I met before the IEP meeting and came up with a proposed schedule for the student to change into a study skills class to receive additional support for self-management. I met with the para-educator prior to the student entering the class and made sure that he knew about the student and how we can support him. And then I met with the parent, and the parent meeting was held during the IEP meeting where the parent agreed to have the student in the study skills class and gave her thoughts and opinions about her son's academic progress. I found the collaboration to be effective. It was effective with the counselor because we did it prior to the meeting and we were able to find a schedule that made both the student and the parent happy. And the actual proposed schedule that we did plan ahead of time was not the schedule that ended up happening because the student did not want one of his classes to switch. So I did find it to be effective because we were able to come up with a new plan. The parent had effective collaboration in supporting the schedule change. The parent loved the idea of the student having an extra 40 minutes a day to get his coursework done with support at the school. And then the collaboration with the para-educator. The para-educator has been able to give support to the student in the classroom for his self-management skills of coursework completion and staying on task. So I find that to be effective as well. My personal collaboration, like I said, the counselor and I met before the IEP meeting to make sure that we had a plan in place. And though our plan was not the plan that was chosen, we were prepared to make adjustments and find the right schedule for the student. My collaboration with the parent, since the student's been in my classroom, the parent has contacted me multiple times asking about certain assignments, letting me know that her son does not understand some of the assignments, and when that happens, I'm able to email her back and let her know that we discussed the assignment in class, or if I had to, I would possibly contact their general education teacher, or the student's general education teacher. Para-educator and my collaboration. So the para-educator and I both work in the classroom hand in hand. So depending on the needs of the rest of the class, either he or I would work with the student to make sure that he was on task and completing his work.